Welcome students in 8th class. Today our topic is cell organelles. Many small living structures are present in the cell. These are equivalent to the organs of the body, hence they are named as cell organelles. Students, all of us know that cell is the basic unit of all living organism. In a cell, there are small living structures which are called cell organelles. These structures are equivalent, means similar to the organs of the body. Main cell organelles are plastids, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, vacuole, ribosomes, cilia and flagella. We will discuss one by one all these cell organelles. First is plastids. Students, largest cell organelles in a plant cell is known as plastids. It contains a pigment that provide color to the cell. Green colored plastids are called chloroplast. Students, color of leaf is green, that is due to the chloroplast. They manufacture food for green plants. The color of leaf is green, that's why they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plastids that provide color other than green are called chromoplast. Students, have you seen purple, red or yellow color flowers or fruits? That is only due to the presence of chromoplast which provide color other than green to the plant. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria are the rod-shaped or spherical structures in a cell. They are responsible for cellular respiration and generating energy for different activities of life. Mitochondria is also called powerhouse of the cell. Students, as the main role of powerhouse is to provide energy, similarly the role of mitochondria is to generate energy for different activities of life and responsible for cellular respiration. It is of rod shaped or spherical structures in a cell. Third is endoplasmic reticulum. It is called a network of membranes. It provides a skeletal framework to the cell. Students, as without a frame, the picture is not clear of. Similarly, without the network of membrane, we cannot identify different organs individually. So, endoplasmic reticulum provides a main role. Golgi complex. They are sac-like structures stacked one above the other. Stacked meaning packed. Sac मीन्स अ बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होती है जो एक दूसरे के ऊपर पैक्ड होती हैं. दे स्टोर मटेरियल्स विच आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द सेल. सेल प्रोड्यूस्ड मटेरियल्स that is stored in a bag-like structure that is called Golgi complex. It is also called a storehouse of the cell. Next is vacuole. It appears as an empty space in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the part of protoplasm and it is present in a cell. It is generally large in plant cells. It stores excess of water and waste products. Students, vacuoles are the large cell organelles in which the excess water and waste product is stored. Next is ribosomes. They are tiny granules present in the cytoplasm. They help in protein synthesis. Students, in a cell, small tiny granules means particles are present that help in making the protein that are called ribosomes. Last one is cilia and flagella. Some cells have these small extensions on their cell membrane. They help in locomotion and collection of food. That is called cilia and flagella. You can see the cross section of a plant cell. Plant cell, what are the present? Cell wall, cell membrane, vacuole means empty space, nucleus which is control all the activities, nuclear membrane, the membrane of nucleus, chloroplast which provide color to the plant, mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, Golgi complex, storehouse of the cell, ribosomes, tiny granules which help in protein synthesis. And this is the cross section of animal. The only difference between plant cell and animal cell is that cell wall is present in plant cell but not in animal cell. Chloroplast or plastids are present in plant cell but not in animal cell. Thank you.